Hey, it's Ed here for Counter Capital, and on today's video we're taking a look at Solana trade review that I had signaled on Discord. So this was happening around the 2nd of February, and this was the area of interest. Overall, the idea was that we were on an uptrend here. I did not really like the higher time frame setups, so I was here on 30-second time frame scalping away at these three-way structures. And this caught my eye. Again, the basic idea here is that we were on an uptrend. We were looking for a three-way structure coming down into an area of interest, and then looking for some kind of reaction after that, and then looking for long setups. So that is exactly what we had here. So in here, we were looking at the one-to-one extension here, looking for a rejection or basically a continuation of that previous trend, which is what we got here. And to me, this here looked like a potential diagonal, giving us a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smaller time frame had that divergence here as well, and then we were looking for that area of interest to go for long. For me, on this one, as we did not extend to the 1.618 here, I'm not looking for very low entry on this. I was looking at this potential three-way structure here as well, again similar to this, coming down in 3, as we are looking for that uptrend to continue. We're looking at the sweep of these previous lows that hits the one-to-one as well, and on 1.236 to 1.382 we have a reaction, and that was the area of interest. What else was there? Well, this area here, we had previously bounced from it. We had multiple rejection here turning into support, and then we got that move up. So that was basically the setup that I had. I believe I was looking at the 1.236 or somewhere around here at the previous support area as well, looking for this as the potential trade setup. One of the areas of interest was this high. Of course, TP1 would be here. I'm not quite sure if that is really valid, to be honest, because the extension here is very small. It's right at the minimum extension, which is why I generally want to take in at least that TP1 or moving the stop loss to break even, so I'm not risking anything on that trade anymore. So in any case, one of the main targets, one-to-one especially, and then I was talking about the liquidity that was lying here on the B wave on top of these previous peaks. And for me, the idea was simple, having this as an ABC coming up, and looking at these areas here, we had that divergence and giving us signals that, okay, this might be coming to an end. Although, again, we did hit that 1.618, which indicates more of a third wave option. This is where I said that, again, TP around these highs and moving my stop loss back to these highs. Why? Because the idea was simple. 1, 2, 3, looking for 4th and 5th. If this structure comes back to on top of this wave 1 here, it's no longer very probable that this is going to continue. And well, of course, what it did is that it came back to this support area now and blasted off. But again, that was the trade recap. I wouldn't change a thing. I traded to my plan. Here was another possibility of going long as well, one-to-one hit. But again, that was not part of my trading plan here initially. I'm not quite sure how I would be labeling this anyway. Maybe this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, some kind of 3, 4, and 5, or 3, 4, and 5. But again, it wasn't that likely because the extension here on this leg is so much larger than higher degree wave structure here, which is why I did this what I did. The best that could have happened here is that we got a bounce from these areas here and got that 5th and got that higher time frame divergence, and then we would have had that trade closed automatically, basically something like this, risk reward around 4. So again, that was the very small time frame application to Solana's trades or trade setups with Elliott wave theory. If you enjoyed this and want to get some more of these signals, check us out on our Discord, and also the futures links or futures discount fees in the description below as well, if you're interested in that. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next video again. Bye bye.